my life. Make me wanna cry.
Be the producer.
Cry like it rain. For me and all my loved ones. Flow, the mixtape. Crying like it rain. When I cry, it rain. Healing for the pain. Feeling God's touch in every raindrop. Praying the pain stop. Cuddled up with my Glock, cause I don't got no one to love. Loveless, lonely, heartbroken, but you won't catch me hoping. Tryna stay strong, feel my pain in the song. Feeling like life done did me wrong, but maybe it's just I've been wrong all my life. Disobeying my mom in my younger day, not listening to anything she had to say. Still in her car, disobeying her house rules, skipping school to get high. I heard gang banging, ready to die. Couldn't deny, a master of a lie, giving no mind to the Most High. On the low, deceiving and scheming, demeaning, not even seeing the preciousness I was leaving behind. Didn't give a fuck about my kids until the DNA test said they was mine. Two folks on the weak hash and ass, not giving my seeds none of my time. Out of my mind, blind to what was most important. Fucking bitches I knew I didn't want. Spending money on hoes when I should've chose. Even though love was always my goal, I lost sight of that to heartbreak. Now my heart ache. To mend my heart, what's it gon' take to find my mate and change my way? Praying God send me a queen every day. Heart full of hate, feel like I'm trapped trying to escape. Tears from my eyes, trying to pray the pain away. For my mom's my next lady, my little ones and all my loved ones I pray.